Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking you through this on the web client portal. First, head over to the Interactive Brokers website and look for the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, then click Portal Login. Enter your username and password, then click Login. You'll need to complete verification. This is usually done via SMS or by scanning a QR code. Once that's done, you'll land on the client portal homepage showing your portfolio overview. Now, look at the top menu and click on Transfer and Pay. You'll see a sub-menu appear. From that menu, click Transfer Funds. On the next page, click Deposit Funds, then click Select. You should now see a page showing all the available deposit methods. For this walkthrough, we'll use BankWire. It's available globally, and Interactive Brokers doesn't charge a deposit fee for it. Click on the BankWire option. You'll be taken to a setup page where you need to select your currency from the dropdown. For example, if you're depositing US dollars, select USD, then click Get Instructions. If this is your first time setting up a wire deposit, Interactive Brokers will ask if you want to save your bank information for future deposits. Choose yes or no, then enter the name of your sending institution and give your bank account a nickname so you can recognize it later. Once you've filled that in, move on to the next step. Now you'll see a field asking for the amount you plan to deposit. Enter the amount. This is just to notify Interactive Brokers that funds are coming, so they know to expect it. After you've entered the amount, review everything to make sure it's correct, then submit the deposit notification. Once that's submitted, click Get Wire Instructions. This will bring up a page with all the banking details you need to complete the transfer. You'll see the beneficiary bank name, the SWIFT or BIC code, the beneficiary account number, and your unique Interactive Brokers account number. That's what Interactive Brokers will use to identify your deposit. Write down or download these instructions. You can also download the deposit notification later by going to Transfer and Pay, then Transaction Status and History, and clicking the Print button. Now, open your bank's online banking platform or head to your local branch. Start a new wire transfer and enter the beneficiary account number and recipient name exactly as Interactive Brokers provided. In the reference or message field, make sure you include your Interactive Brokers account number. Without it, they won't be able to match the deposit to your account. Your bank will also ask who pays the transfer fees. Typically, you'll cover these so there are no surprises. Check with your bank about their wire fees before you confirm the transfer. Once you've sent the wire, your bank will confirm it's been processed. Interactive Brokers will usually credit the funds to your account during the next business day, and you'll get an email notification when it's done. You can check the status anytime by going to Transfer and Pay, then Transaction, Status, and History. Keep in mind that funds are posted after close of business, so if they say 4 business days, it'll be credited on the 4th day. Also, there's a withdrawal hold period. That means you can't withdraw the deposited funds immediately, even once they've arrived. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.